Hello guys, Mami Bileta Vlogs. Putahin ng ina nyo. Maluluto ng aking pork ribs nilaga na merong mais, patatas. Ayan ang pork ribs. Lagyan ko ng onion leeks at saka gulay na repolyo at pechay bagyo. Please like, comment down below and share. Ayan ang patatas, gulay na repolyo at pechay bagyo, at saka itong pork ribs. At mayroong corn o mais. Thanks for watching, Mami Bileta Vlogs. Bye!